So here, if you see, if it is whole of Lake District, then it should be 100 points. If it is beyond Leh Morobe, then it is to be 300 points. You should select this one. 25 is okay. Select stratified random sampling methods. Yeah, stratified random sampling. Yeah. So this is the use minimum point here, and then minimum points 2. We can set across, and then we can select all here, all the classes here. This class according to what has been classified here, and then we can go ahead and click OK here. So these are the points, 25 points we have identified here, which is here. These are all points, point ID number 1 to 25. So this can be our reference point. We can use to verify our classified image. So these images are not classified. These are one that we open first, which is at the back of this classified image, this 432 layer. But this one is the classified. So it was at first here, but now this is the original image, this is the classified image. So we put it down here, and then original image goes up. So we are arranging the layer. So when we click apply, it changes like this, because this layer has been dragged down, this one goes up. If we drag this down, goes up, we apply, it will change again. Reference class values are these 18, 5, 19, 22, all these are the reference, column reference. So we have to put reference class value for each reference point ID. So this is the reference point ID here, ID1, ID2. So we have to put a reference class value. So class value we know is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Like I just open one here. If I open this, when I go to raster and then attributes, you see one is inland water, this water, one is inland water, two here, two is river water, three is deep sea water. So these are the values we are talking about. So these values we can write it down like this here. It's already indicated. So what we have to do is under accuracy assessment dialog here, there is a column reference here. So we have to put reference class value here, for each reference point ID where we think this is forest water or deep water or something like that, or it is a sea water, or it is a inland water. So we have to zoom in and find out. Like when I go for, I know that this is sea water, so point number 16. So sea water is deep sea water is 3. Yes, I knew that deep sea water is 3. Deep sea water is 3. It's already here. 3. Deep sea water 3. So 8, 10, 9, 16 will be all 3. 8, 10, 9, and then 16. You see, they're all seawater. Okay, now again I will urban and built up. Let's try zoom in here. Yeah, this one might be urban and built up, so I will say 24, not 12. 24 and 12 will be 8. 24 and 12 will be 8. There will be 8 and then 24. There will be 8, something like that. There's inland water and river water. Inland water may be 20. Yes, inland water is 20. So ID number 20. So it's 1. 20 will be 1. So 20 will be 1. That's inland water. Okay, river water is 2, which is 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 will be 2. So 5, 6, like this. Okay, now let's look at for dense forest. Dense forest will be, I think these are a dense forest. 11, 15. Dense forest is for 11, 15, 11, 4, 15, 15 here. So these are dense forest. 1, these are dense forest. But you have to confirm also with your ground control points or your ground reference data using the Google Earth imagery or your GPS data. You can. So Google Earth, just to confirm that what you are saying as a grassland is correct. That's why we have to check. So number 7 can be yeah, 22. I said it's a grassland, so I have to find out. Let me check. Somewhere here, tools, you reset tilt and compass, and then somewhere here, yeah, that could be a grassland. So you can see here, yeah, these are the areas of grassland here. Yeah, these are the areas of grassland. So 22 is grassland, it's confirmed. So 7, we put 7 here. So what is grassland? Open hill or grass covered, that's 7, it's correct. Let's find out here, what is this? This one is open hill or grass covered land, 19. So we can put 7 here. Okay, let's check it out again. What is number 7 here? Number 7 is a shrubland, we can say. Shrub is 7. So we can put 6 here. So it can be 5. So I think that completes the job. So this is how you should have collect, verify. So most of the ideas you will take from your DCP points, ground reference data. So this is the ground reference data you are trying to verify. What you have classified is correct. So the next step is you have to do repeatedly 25 points. After finishing, click File, Save. When you finish, under Accuracy Assessment dialog here, we have to click File, Save Table. I don't know why it is not saving, but I think it has already been saved. Is there any more points? Let's find out. No, there's nothing. So it's okay. Save table, it's saved. So now we go to Accuracy Assessment dialog. We click Edit and then show class value. And then we show class value. So you see, when we show class value, yeah, all class values will display under Accuracy Assessment dialog. Now we can compare class value versus the reference value. So reference value. So this is our reference value for ID number 1 to 25. You see why we're verifying, observing from the field, and then when we open our ID point, ID number here 25, ID number on top of the satellite, we are trying to do verification with whatever we have classified, which is this value here, which has been classified, on top of with the actual ground field data. So this one is our ground field data. You see, X and Y. We might open it that way. You see, we might open or whatever file. You might also load a Excel file also, or text file, and then you will try compare. And then now we can compare now. Now we can compare class value versus the reference value. So 7777. Let's find out 33. Okay, you see 54. There's some mistakes here. This is how it is. It should be 6, but we have indicated as 8. The class value said it is 6. The class value say it is shrubland, but the reference data says it is a the class will say it is a low dens, but the reference data says it is a shrubland. See, this is how we have to compare and find out. So this is how where the accuracy will be calculated. So let's find out how the accuracy is calculated. So if they are same, then we can say in that reference point classification is accurate, otherwise you are yielding error, you see. So from accuracy assessment dialog, click report and check out error metrics and kappa statistics. Only accuracy totals will remain. Click on we can remove error metrics, we can remove kappa statistics, and we can leave accuracy totals to be there. So we click report, accuracy report. Accuracy report will be displayed automatically. So again we click accuracy report, so we can option if it is available, then we can just click here. Okay, this is our the accuracy report now. So accuracy report will be displayed automatically, which is this one here. Now we can see producers accuracy, users accuracy for each class. Producers accuracy, users accuracy, you see. Okay, so if you drag down to the last end of the report, you can find a overall accuracy. Here is the overall accuracy. So at least it's good. Whatever you have classified, it's good. So this is how you run the accuracy assessment. You get a percentage, and then so you can copy all these, copy to Excel, and then produce a better report, like delete this non-zero thing, and then arrange in such a way that it can be presented, something like this. So I think that is, I think maybe save as all files or text files. That's it. Text files, then you can arrange, rearrange, edit everything into order, and then you can present with your map. Thank you. That's all.